Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be falafel, Israeli salad, and a creamy tahini mint sauce, which is delicious. This is super high in protein, perfect for the gains, and perfect to eat after you work out. Let's get started. I love falafel. It is one of my favorite things to eat. It is very easy to find. What I love about it is its versatility. It's easy to make, and you can also eat it in several different ways, and it's really difficult to get bored of it. I love this recipe. It is very easy to do and takes only 20 minutes in the oven. I am baking mine, but if you wish so, you could fry yours or pan fry it, or you could use an air fryer, as I've used with my empanadas. I'm just gonna form them into little balls and pat them down slightly just to form like kind of a patty, and I'm gonna be baking them for 20 minutes. This salad is the star of this recipe video because I love Israeli salad. I don't only eat it with falafel, I make it and just eat it on its own or combine it with something else. Everything I use in this recipe is alkalizing. It is high in antioxidants. It's beneficial for your skin. Your hair has tons of phytonutrients and phytochemicals, and it is just all around a very good salad. Now for my creamy tahini sauce. This is obviously very quick. It is a blender recipe. You don't need to cook anything or warm anything through. For me, this is kind of the thing that I make on a weekly basis. I will make a huge batch and stick it in a jar, and I just go ahead and top most of my meals with it because it's just so indulgent and creamy, and I need that in my life. So falafel is usually served in a pita or some sort of roll. I love putting it on top of some astringent arugula because it cleanses the body. And I love eating it in a salad because it fills me up, and I always try to get my greens in wherever I can. That is it for me, guys. I am ready to eat. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one, which will be very soon. Bye.